Welcome all to the magic show presented by the one and only magician Bobindo. He's going to unveil a different kind of magic. With his creativity, he assembled shapes to craft meaningful pictures. Imagine shapes coming together and transforming into delightful images. His trustworthy assistant, Jackie, will reveal the secrets behind assembling shapes. Pay attention and use that knowledge and your imagination to create your own masterpieces. So, dear audience, stay tuned till the very end. Now, without further delay, let's welcome magician Bobindo. Abracadabra! Abracadabra! Oh, fruits floating in the air. Abracadabra! Abracadabra! I'm Jackie. Hello everyone. I'm going to show you some images from Mathematics Workbook from cover page till the end of the book. What you need to do is choose the correct basic shapes required for assembling. Group them and create picture of your imagination. If required, use edit points. And finally, fill the shapes with color. It's that simple. Here I am going to show you a few more pictures of the workbook made out of basic shapes in different categories. Halloween special. Different modes of transportation. These were animated in the previous videos. You can watch them again. Ruler. Animals and insects. Leaves of all categories are there. And this is caterpillar. Few more pictures from the book. See if you like them, you can draw. You can also assemble them like this. They are very simple. In the last part, I shall show you assembling of the house. You need a triangle, a rectangle and small squares, and also another rectangle for a door. First draw like this, then the door, then the windows, and then color. That's all. Other pictures you can draw like this later. Dear viewers, thanks for watching the video till the end. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and share the magic of shapes to your friends. And keep watching Math Voyage 2024. Goodbye.